Pandas, 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 pandas. Come on, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Good morning, everybody. We are live back at it again and again. TGIM. Thank God it's Monday. We're back at it live again. Thanks for joining. Drop those GMs in the chat. Scap that like button. Pandas. It's a new week. It's a new week. It's a new day. Who cares? All the things that happened last week do not matter right now. It's a brand new week, and we're gonna get it. Yes. Pen, pen, pen. Drop those GMs in the chat. Okay, pandas. I am live, ready to go. Let's get it. Really needed those motivating words. Oh, yeah. I hope they are very motivating, truly. Remember, pandas. Risk management. Risk management. Market's about to open. 3 minutes. Can we see if we have a nice juicy setup here? Something crazy happened here. I had this like triangle forming. I thought we were gonna just smash to the downside, but because we're building this triangle underneath the 20 MA, but market had other plans. And if we get a fail second short, yours truly will be going long to get to the previous day's close. That's just the name of the game, pandas. That is the name of the game. Market's about to open. Can we get something juicy here is a question. That's what I really want. Get something real juicy here. That's what I really want. Albert Emma, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Drop those GMs in this chat. Scalp that like button. TGIM. Thank God it's Monday, Monday, Monday. We really don't have big news until Friday. PCE numbers. PCE numbers. This is the biggest news we're gonna have this week. This week is pretty chill. Pablo Escobar, good morning. Best guess trading. Welcome back. Welcome back, everybody. We're back live at it again. The only channel that uses pure price action trading. You know it. Al Brooks in the house. Panda Brooks. Just call me Panda Brooks. I'm about to open in 1 minute. Am I looking for a fail signature short here? It's a little far away from 20, a little late in trend. We're about to hit a double top to create a potential trading range. But look at the 2500 tick chart. It is just bull bar after bull bar after bull bar. You're thinking if it's gonna break out, this is the way it's gonna do it. Back to previous day's close, which is Friday's close. That's the way you think it's gonna happen. Yes. 3,000 pandas. Multiple times I got to 5K, and then for some reason I just lose my mind, like just blow my accounts. It's just ridiculous. It's not gonna happen this time. I promise you that. Tate, good morning. Welcome everybody. I promise you that much. It won't happen again. Market's about to open in 1 minute. I'm gonna take this if we get it. If we get the setup. There we go. Market's open. Let's go with two. Will we get it though? Is the question. Just being bought up. Full breakouts like six bull bars in a row. Hubba hubba. Can we get something beautiful here? Like I want to go long, but I'm not getting my setup. It's just like seven overlap. Not overlap. Seven like bull bars in a row. Hey, maybe not. Maybe spoke too soon. Spoke too. No. Oh, technically it's a bull bar. Technically it is a bull bar. We are just not at all getting a small pullback so I can go long here. So I'm looking for currently. So with a small pullback, so I can go long. I mean, if it's a strong bull bar, I might as well just go long here. But to be honest, jeez Louise. Sorry. Strong bull bar ending near time. We might as well just go long here. Might as well just go long and scale in. You know what I mean? Might as well go long and scale in. That's the name of the game. You go long here and you scale in. At least come out break even. That's what you're thinking. Just be patient here. I mean, if we don't get it, we don't get it. It is what it is. If it just makes a beeline straight to close a gap, it's just it is what it is. I just can't join in. Actually, what are we looking like here? A first entries all the way up. Gotta love it. First entry, first entry, first entry, first entry, first entry. I just wanted a fail second entry short. Never got it. Never getting it. Not getting it. Not even close. No diddly doody doo. That's just not what's gonna happen today. No sirree, Bob. All first entries though on the 500 tick chart. All first entries on the 500 ticky dicky chart. Hmm. I mean, just a beeline to fill the gap. I wanted one pullback, we didn't get it. Just made like a straight up beeline. Just bam, 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 bam. That's what it looks like. Shoryuken, 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 Shoryuken. That's all it is. Every single push up. Incredible. No pullbacks. Someone on one single pullback, but didn't get any. And this is like one of those times I just buy and then I always lose. I always lose when I just buy. When I get FOMO'd into a trade. But look at this. Like this is why I get FOMO'd into trades because of situations like this. This is exactly why I FOMO into trades. It is what it is though. And we get a pullback here now. So sick. So sick of a pullback like right here. So crazy sick. So sickening. Won't technically fill the gap, which is kind of crazy. Like the regular trading hours still needs a gap here to fill. We don't get it. First entry still is the answer to this uptrend. You just get in every first entry and you make bamboozis. You make bamboozis. Incredible, 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 incredible move up. Second entry long, might as well try here. Forget the second entry long. Second entry long, and the most massive uptrend in the universe ever made. I mean, do I just go like this? Do I just do the obvious thing here? It's not. Excuse me. It's not gonna blew up your eardrums. I mean, I mean, I mean, I mean, uh, I mean, I'm gonna try. Second entry long, the most massive uptrend in the world. Yikes! What's going on? It's a full-blown reversal here. You know what? I can't do it. It's the worst signal bar imaginable, and it's beneath the 20 MA. Yikes! You kidding me? You kidding me right now? You kidding me, right? That's crazy. But beneath the 20 MA. Wow. Second entry? No way. Don't do that to me. You cannot do that to me. This is crazy. There's no way. There's no way. There's no way this works out. There's just no way. There's no way this reverses, does it? There's just no way. There's no way. Good. No way. No, there's just no way. Yeah, that's what I thought. There's just no way this works out. There's no way. Yeah, that's what I thought. There's just no way. I was like, there's no way this is reversing here after this strong a bull trend. There's no way. I just had to try though. This is absolutely no way. What a strong push down. What in the world? Where'd that come from? I'm gonna try here. I'm gonna try. I don't know. See what happens. So sick. This is just so sick right now. Okay. Okay. You high? Interesting. I'm gonna try. I don't know. I'm just gonna try. I don't really care because this is crazy if this doesn't work. This is crazy if this doesn't work. But I gotta try here. I gotta absolutely try this. I'm sorry. If this doesn't work, this is crazy. If this doesn't work, this is just insane. Yeah, I deserve to lose this. If this doesn't work, it's just it is what it is. I deserve to lose it. Jeez, what in the world? If this doesn't work, I just deserve to lose it. I mean, just I gotta try. That's sick. I lose. I lose this trade too. So sick. It doesn't fill the gap. It's very close to do it, but it doesn't fill the gap. It's just, it's just the name of the game. This is what happens in trading. It just doesn't fill the gap. And if it doesn't fill the gap, it just doesn't fill the gap. Like I wanted like 8 points and risk. So sick. The price action is actually just so sick right now. I probably could buy here and like scale in, but I'll just take the hit because that's just if I lose it, I deserve to lose this. It's just crazy, 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 crazy. I lose that trade. That's crazy. I lose that trade, pandas, isn't it? Isn't that crazy? I lose that trade. We don't fill the gap. We miss it by how many points? We miss it by less than 3 points. So sick. That's crazy. I mean, if I if the market doesn't want to give that to me, I'm not gonna complain. It's just it is what it is. I requested a $2,000 payout from Apex. If I trade the account today and am losing a trade, is it getting denied at the end of the day or instantly after the trade? Like, can I make it back the same day? Yeah, you can make it. As long as they haven't made a decision yet. You're actually able to do whatever. They haven't made a decision yet. You can do whatever. I mean, do I go long here? Do I just go long? Are we in a trading range now? Like, I can't go short here, can I? Can I really go short here? This is not the short trade, right? It's like it's actually I'm supposed to go long. This is just as trading range price action. I'm gonna try trading range price action here. I'm gonna try trading range. I feel trading range coming here because this is wacky, wacky price action right now. It's so sick. Okay, pushing up. Well, at least like go in the right direction here. So sick. Mm-hmm. 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 So sick. Big up. Nice pop up. I think most people sense trading range starting to happen here. I think most people sensed it. I think they bought here. They're buying somewhere down here. I was trying to buy a little bit lower, a little too conservative maybe, but they scalped out already. People scalped out 10 points. So sick. This is trading range price action written all over it, but that's crazy. That's just crazy. I don't get that fill. That's crazy. I don't get that fill. I don't hit that target. It most likely will hit it. Maybe with this push up, who knows? I need a higher low. I need a higher low, bare minimum. No higher low. I'm not going in. Or double bottom. I need something. I need like some reason to go long. I mean, bunch of bull bars doesn't matter if it's trading range. This can reverse easily. So I'm just sitting on my pause here. I mean, it's probably gonna go up now. Gonna hit my target. So sick. So sick. I'm telling you, this is so sick. What asset class are you trading? This is Nascraq, Nasdaq. It's Nasdaq. NQ, Nasdaq futures. I call it the Nascraq because it's cracked out of its mind. It's absolutely cracked out of its mind. This instrument here. All right, I guess. I guess. Fool me once, shame on me. Fool me twice, shame on you. Wide stop. We're going long. Trading range, obviously, at this point, in my opinion. It's just a trading range, like for sure. So I'm gonna buy low, so high scalp. It just became trading range, like massive uptrend, just sideways. Crazy, 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 crazy. I mean, if you give me feel like I too short, I'm going in. I am going in deep here. Give me a feel like I just short. I mean, that's like A plus setup. Give me a feel like I just short though. I'm not getting it. The setup is too good to give. The setup is too good to give here. There it is. Darn it. Trading range. Mm. Trading ranges. The problem here is that I gotta hold for a wide stop, and I do not want to really do that right now. Mm. Some kind of stop for me, I guess. Come on, break even. Being married to the premise that we're gonna fill the gap. I gotta stop. I gotta stop myself here. Unfortunately, I'm gonna feel big pain here, I think, because I'm not buying low, selling high scalp. I'm not doing what I'm supposed to be doing in this situation. Absolutely doing this wrong. I'm executing this wrong. I thought we are gonna fill the gap. I mean, I don't know why. This always happens near these situations, like near these key areas. Like you get a opposing market cycle to hit your target, and I end up staying in the trade for way too long, more than I have to, because I feel like the target's gonna get hit, but the current market cycle is straight up opposing hitting that target. It is just completely counter to hitting that target. So I'm gonna come out break even here. It does come back down. I mean, it's just the name of the game. Like I do not want to hold this much longer. Yeah, we'll come out break even there. I just don't want to hold this much longer. I mean, at this point, I'm doing it wrong. Like you're supposed to buy low, sell high, scalp, and I'm trying to buy. I'm trying to buy. I'm trying to buy high. I'm trying to buy at the upper end of the trading range, and I paid the price for it. You know, my price I paid for is just a break even. Like look what's happening here. So it's just like people are scalping now up here, just scalping down here. I completely traded that wrong. It just happens a lot because I get so close to filling some sort of target here, and you get like a market cycle that's just completely makes it, you're just getting both sides here. You got people who want to fill the gap. You got people who are scalping at the top of the trading range. You get people It just push down and comes back up. It's just crazy. I mean, I missed them. I missed the move, but I don't mind missing it. It's just a pure trading range. I don't mind missing this move. I really don't. It's just crazy. It's just too crazy. I don't mind. I'm down 900, but make sure all my accounts are synced. Yep. Though I'm down 900, I think I did that correctly because at that point, just you gotta buy low, sell high, scalp. I'm about to do it again here. I'm about to sell here, but we still haven't filled the gap, and we're just so close to it. Like we gotta fill the gap now. Like it's just whatever happens here happens. Yeah, gap filled here. I don't know. Maybe I could just like sell. Maybe at the high of the days right here. Maybe this is like the high of the day. How would I even trade this if I think this is the high of the day? You know what? I gotta gotta at least reverse once, right? This is truly high of the day. You gotta reverse once. It's right, absolutely insane. Just to hold into this complete trading range. You gotta sell this. That's the crazy thing. I gotta sell this actually. Buy low, sell high, scalp. Isn't that not the mantra right now? The thing is, people are already scalping, I think. I think people are already scalped out. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. We'll see here. I don't know if I like this. Okay. So people obviously who are in my situation they just got out of the trade. Basically doing what I'm trying to do right now. Woo-wee. I mean, I think trading range, but who knows? One key area. Maybe breakout retest. I could try here, but it's most likely trading range price action. It's most likely trading range price action from what it looks like, what it feels like. We can launch here, but it just feels like this big down, big up, big down, big up. You get the second entry long here, but mm, I don't know. It's just massively confusing for me. My mind's like always set that most likely it'll turn to a trading range. V1, good PA, done for the day. Get out of here. You're done. Kevin, good morning. While anyone watch the Charlie Kirk Memorial event? I actually did not. I didn't watch it. If you did, let me know how it is. How it was. Look at this. Super choppy around the previous day's close. That's nasty. That is nasty stuff. Okay, makes a new high. Can't deny it. You can't deny it. Higher and higher. What can you say? And what can you do about it? Just trickles up, it trickles up. I mean, I just saw a clear sign of trading range price action starting to happen. All of these cluster price action here. And yeah, you get this wild price action here. I mean, I just if I can come out break even here, I'll try. There are bears for trying to short this. Bears still trying to short this, and they are getting out break even at the minimum. This does not look pretty either way. David Mac, good morning. All right, more or less the same. Untradeable to me. Crazy, 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 crazy. Like you know it's tricky when you get this price action here. Small pullback, breakout, goes lower. Breakout by like a tick or two, gets lower, goes back up. This is literally the definition of trading range starting to happen here. I mean, if we hit the previous day's high, do I just go long? Do I try to take a big mama here? Let's try to take a big mama here. What are we doing, pandas? I mean, this is bullish. Got the 15-minute orb. 15-minute orb. This candle here will tell us about the 15-minute orb what will happen. I guess. I mean, call me crazy. Call me crazy. Call me crazy here. Just call me absolutely crazy. What are we doing here, Pace? What's going on? Big push down. What is that nastiness? What is that sicko move here? What is that sicko move that we're watching, that we're seeing here? Like I said, it is just pure trading range price action. It just went a lot higher than you kind of expect it to go. Like a lot higher. Like this is just weird. Like why'd it have to break out so much before like having this strong pushback down? Imagine if you went like short here at the previous day's close and it did this. How happy are you that it just went down here? And that's why you see this little pop up. Because people went short here at the previous day's close, basically came out break even, and now they're out of the position. They're super happy, super glad that happened because this is starting to break out. So now your bears are gone. You can see that through the price action. The bears all came out here. The people who thought it was a trading range, they just went short here. They held until, and they might have went short again here or up here, whatever. And they came out break even on the original trade and made money on their second trade. That's probably what happened. The second entry long. Disgusting. This is filthy. I mean, I guess I go short here. I mean, for honestly, I think trading is it's just looks like a negative trading range. I mean, I'll take a fail second entry long here. Whatever, I'll take it. I'll try here. I sure diddly do will try. Need some prayers. Thoughts and prayers here. Gonna need them. I'm gonna need them. Need some thoughts and prayers here for sure. Thoughts and prayers. Here we go. There you go. In the thoughts and prayers trade. Like really good setup. Fails like entry long. Happening at the top of a potential trading range. It's a really nice looking setup here. I'm gonna try to look for the swing stop here and see if we can get anything nice here. We'll see. Most likely, it's not. It's not working out. It's just destroying my trade here. I mean, I can try to raise my stop loss, but it's probably a mistake here, big time. Probably a mistake. I mean, small risk originally. I should have just taken a small risk and just kept it. I just thought it was a very good setup with fail second entry long, failed breakout. It's basically a breakout retest now, and it's actually gonna push up higher. It looks like really high, really high. And I think I gotta get out of this trade. I think I gotta take the hit. First two bull bars in a row. I think I gotta just take the hit here. No, is that not the price action stop loss right there? Hey, I got like an A plus setup. I gotta try. I have to try and hold. Maybe I get ticked out. Maybe I do get ticked out there. I don't know. Tough, 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 tough. Just rips my face off, unfortunately. Why is trading so tough? Why is trading so hard? What is I got like 2,500. All right, I'm good. The nice thing about not making any money today is that my threshold is still the same. What is this? I mean, if I got kicked out here, it is what it is. I mean, I showed two strong bull bars. You got to get out. You got to get out thinking you're wrong. When you see two strong bull bars like this, like you gotta just bite the bullet and move on. High or low here. I mean, fail second just short is what I'm looking for. If I don't get it, I don't get it. Whatever. It's a fail second just short. It's just that's the only trade I'm looking for here. Take Big Mama here. Mm-hmm. Really do get ticked out here, huh? It is trading range price action. I just couldn't hold the appropriate amount of risk. Like my stop loss had to been up here really to with withstand that pullback, unfortunately. That was the only way to have done it. Tough. Very tough. Very tough to have held that for that deep of a pullback. Yeah, I'm not trying to do anything here. Yeah, it's wacky. Still above the 20, man. It is doing this now. I should just stop trading, to be honest. Should stop today. Should stop today. I mean, good trade here too. Fortunate. I think it looked like a good trade to me. Not sure what's happening here. Jeez Louise, that almost triggered my trade. That really almost triggered my trade. That really almost triggered my trade. It didn't trigger. It almost did. And it just whammed. Whoa. That is crazy, pandas. That's crazy. Do I not hold this anymore? Isn't that sign for me just not actually trying to take this? That's crazy. That's a limit order like galore right there, isn't it? Does that just tell you all the limit orders just waiting there? Is that not the case? I'm scared. That's crazy. It almost triggered my trade. Very close to triggering it. Happened so fast. This went down like 10 points immediately. All right, I'll try one more time. Feels like entry long. Coming off the previous day's high now in a trading range type price action. Let's try pandas. Here we go. I'll try one more time to reverse it. Only because it looks like trading range price action. Truly does. Big up, big downs, and lots of overlapping bars. And you get stuff like this. You get bounce off of resistance perfectly. It's just so sick. It's like entry long here, but I'm just like thinking there's gonna be tons of limit orders above this. Okay, just look at the price action here. I mean, if it doesn't, it doesn't. But if the market's giving me a clue, this is what I want to see. Like if I wanted to see a clue there, that's the clue I'm looking for. Like where are the limit orders? I mean, if you get like a this kind of price action, like what what more evidence do you need? Man, that's what more evidence do you need? I don't think you need any more evidence. Yeah, second long. Hmm. Hmm. It's such a. That's actually not a good signal one. Here we go. You know the name of the game. You know the name of the game right now. You absolutely know the name of the game. I mean, if we're bouncing off the previous day's high like that, like I'm taking the feels like entry long here. On a trading range price action day, top of a trading range, like you just there's just no other option here. I gotta try. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. It's like a S type trade, S tier. Get S tier trade, you gotta go for it. Here we go. Uh-huh. Not gonna give it to me, huh? Just not gonna do it. It's gonna explode. There's a gap here. It's not good for the bulls. It's a small little gap here. I still think limit orders are waiting here. I mean, if this works out, works out. There's not much I can do here. Still go for a short here, in my opinion. All right, I guess I was wrong. You're wrong, you're wrong, you're wrong. What can you do? You're wrong, you're just wrong. Hmm. Double tops of the previous day's highs. So sick. If you're wrong, you're just wrong. Being down 2,400, it's a stinker. I'm not even mad though about the setup I took. I had to try. High or low. Yeah, yeah. I don't like it. I don't know. Hopefully we'll break out a little bit, huh? Clearly above the 20 MA. double topping at the previous day's high. Hmm, this is wild. I'm telling you, Panis. It's absolutely insane. Absolutely nutsos. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. I mean, either this is setting up to break out or this is setting up to reverse. Which one will it be, pandas? Which one will it be? I think reverse. I mean, this is double top. Clearly double top. Actually triple top, right? Actually triple top. Question is, will I get an entry to go short? I don't know. Will I get an entry to go short here? Is the question. It is a serious question. High or low? Retesting this area. Eh, eh. Could be a nice push down. Let's see. Small risk. Big bear bar ending on its low. Should get some follow through. Hmm. Hmm. Interesting. Okay. All right, I made some bamboo there. There's only one contract. It was like almost 20 points. Pandas, the thing is, at least I'm doing the right thing now, right? Like I'm reading it right. Like I knew it was a trading range price action. I knew we were gonna have a deep pullback. Timing is just incredibly difficult to get. Timing is just incredibly difficult here. They're just trying to go short here, but I don't know. Just have to be for a scalp, and it's just a bad setup here. It could work out nicely, but I don't know. It's just a not a good setup. It's far away from 20 MA. And to be honest, this pivot low, if it's trading range, you can trade range right here as well. Look at my lines. My lines are crazy right now. Let's go. Let's get rid of these. So much noise, you know what I mean? Yeah, you fail. Fail that trade. So sick. It could be like a head and shoulders here. I just want to take one trade there. I just one contract. I just didn't know. It's not a setup I really take here, but I just had to try because the risk reward was so good and a lot of evidence, right, that we double topped here, triple top technically, and so signs of strong bearish move. Like, imagine if you're a bull here and you bought. The reason why this happens here is because Those bulls who got stuck here, they're out. They're out break even right there. Good lord. I guess I could add into my position and saw what happened, but I don't know. I'm hanging out here. I'm just happy I won that last trade. You know what I mean? I'm just happy I won that last trade. This one was the killer. I just held way too long. Ouch, 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 ouch. Jeez, so much pain in that trade. Why? Why do I do this to myself? Seriously. Like, why do I do this to myself? It's so dumb. Why do I do this to myself? Truly. I knew it was a training range day. Like, it's just so many overlapping bars. It's just the setups weren't working, right? This is a good setup here. It doesn't work. No good setup here. It just crashes. Now we may just be hanging out here for a while. The mantra on that is buy low, sell high scalp. Which is, I believe, what's happening here. Looking for at least 10 points if you scalp, so I don't know. I should just taking the small risk. Small risk here, 5 points. No reason for me to have held it so much more than that. It's so dumb. I gotta really stop doing stuff like that. It really hurts me. Really hurts me. I think that's the thing that hurts my trade the most. Alright, it's getting wacky here. Higher highs, higher lows. Expanding pattern. Right. Expanding. Higher highs, lower lows. Possible second just short. Create a bear flag. Potential here. We don't get the bear flag. We don't get the second short. Just stay on my pause. I don't care what happens. What happens, happens. It's impossible to time this, to be honest. If you think it's gonna go down, you should just keep buying limit orders. It's scaling. If you think it's gonna go down. This is wacky. Like you're better off buying selling limit orders here, to be honest. In my opinion. Oh, showing bull bar. Ending on its high, looks like. Near its high. Follow through? Interesting. So interesting here. It's diabolical. That's what I mean by interesting. This is absolutely diabolical here. It's absolutely diabolical. I mean, if we test it now, then we're gonna break through it. I think it makes the most sense to take this short here. 4 seconds is short. In my opinion, this makes the most sense. Strong bull bar, you know, time. I mean, you can't take it anymore, right? You can't go, surely cannot go short here. It is what it is. It is what it is, pandas. What can you do? I mean, if we try test Big Mama here this early, I'm gonna try and go long here. I've learned my lesson. I'll just take the hit here. I'm just like going for this because this is feels like it's just short, blasting off to retest the previous day's high. I learned my lesson. I'll just take the hit. I'm not gonna hold a big stop loss. I learned my lesson. We'll try one more time here. Hopefully small risk again. Hopefully small risk. We'll see. Big push down. I'll have to try to go long here, in my opinion now. I'll have to try to go long here. So this doesn't make sense. This doesn't make any sense here. Fair trend, lower highs, lower lows. Could be a silly trade. Again, I'll just take the small risk here and just take the hit. I'm not gonna play any games here. We'll just take the hit. If we lose, we lose. If we lose, we lose. We lose, we lose. That's the name of the game. We lose, we lose. Breakouts. That's what we're looking for. And we're gonna look for Big Mama here as well. Maybe he'll trigger fast. We'll see. This could be a really strong breakout here. It's building up some pressure. You can tell by the 5 minutes it's building up some pressure. And we only went halfway, halfway up. This has a lot going for it right now. A lot of pressure building up. There's a lot going for it right now. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out, whatever. It's just the name of the game. I'm holding. Just hold. Nothing to lose, right? Nothing to lose here, really, in my opinion. Everything to gain, nothing to lose. Let's see. Okay. Shuffle bar 8 on high. I think we're going to break through this time. We should break through this time, in my opinion. Okay. That's not good. Something weird just happened. That's not what I... It's not really what I wanted, but okay. It works, I guess. 10 points up, 10 points down. Big Mama's never working these days. I gotta stop these Big Mamas. I gotta stop doing Big Mamas. They're just absolutely horrendous track record right now. Big Mamas are just absolutely horrendous. Jeez, two bear bars in a row. So crazy. High or low. Let's see if we get something here. Something juicy. High or low now. Hey, so sick. So sick, so sick. Let's get something nice here. If we can be nice, we can actually get a breakout here, but it's not happening, Pandas. Too much trading range price action. It's just, people limit orders, scalping, buying low, selling high type situation right now. That's what I should be doing, huh? If I can come out break even here, it'd be great, but I don't think it's happening. I should just get out and get hit, take the hit. I should be going short, huh? Should be going short here, to be honest. I thought we were gonna get a breakout because of the buildup we're getting. A massive buildup. The massive buildup we're getting. I thought we were going to get a breakout of some sort. Buy low, sell high scalp. That's what people are still doing. Mm, had a good chance to come up break even. It made sense to try to short here. It made sense to go short here because the fact that we are, um, in the trading range price action, in my opinion. Okay, I'm just out. We're out here. We're we're down 869. We were down like 2,400. We're down 869 now, pandas. Not too shabby if you ask me. Not too shabby if you ask me. Like second entry long. The 20 MA, I mean. Bottom trading range back to the top of the trading range, as simple as that. And people are buying low, selling high, scalping. But also the 5 minute chart, it was building up some pressure above the 20 MA. And yeah, I don't know. Should I start selling here? I could. Could be a wedge top as well. Could look for a reversal here now to go short. Could be the case. Because we're like potential trading range price action. People are selling, buying low, selling high, scalping at this point, in my opinion. You can tell that's what they did here. That's what they did here. So what they try to do here. That's what they're trying to do here. I mean, it's enough for a scalp for sure. Yeah. So the lower high. And notice no follow through on this 5 minute bull bar any near time at a breakout point. No follow through currently. No, this to me is tough. It's tough. It's tough. It's tough. Would just be a massive uptrend? Possibly. Possibly. Like I got this trade, I won that trade. I tried here and I said, okay, I take the hit. I tried again. No, that was beautiful. That was a beautiful trade. Second entry low. And look at I get stopped out here. I basically re-enter where I got stopped out. So I actually didn't lose. I like if you think about it, I didn't really lose on this trade. Because I basically re-entered where I got stopped out. So that's why it's just nice just to get hit and then just try again if you get a chance. Essentially the same thing at the end. More or less. But you increase your probability. I should have done that here. Like I was just a dummy. I should just take the hit here. I should take this hit here. That's being stupid. I thought I was being clever. I thought I was being clever because I saw this training range. But now we're in this training range. For that reason, I can't go long here, to be honest. If anything, I go short if the break of this high. Like, I almost want to go short there. Second entry long floating right there. I don't know. Maybe if it works out, it works out. It's just crazy. Like, I almost just want, I just want to go short like this. I just want to go short here. Trading range price action. Well, I might as well just do it. Wait for a reversal instead. Increase my probability. At least like one reversal. There's a new high. This is a new all-time high. For your information, we just made a new all-time high today. Just right there with a little pop-up. But we're reading this price action in a way where we're sensing trading range. Again, up, down, and this down breaks this low. It's crazy. Crazy, 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 crazy. Like trading range price action there, trading range price action here. It's just, I guess, broad channel. How about that? We'll try broad channel trading. That's one way to trade this. Broad channel trading here. Really, 2,500 tick chart. Really, is it even broad channel? Is it just what is this? It's that easy. It's just that broad channel. Broad channel means you can scalp by going short. You can scalp short You can swing long. That's what broad channels are. Like bull broad channels, you can do that. I can try. I try to keep scalping while going short, but it's risky because I don't think the bears are making that much money, to be honest. Be careful going short. In my opinion, it could be dangerous. We're down 800. We're down 800. This breakout. You do not go short against this. This is crazy. Alright, we're just breaking out. Actually, long was actually a really beautiful trade. Jeez Louise. Jeez Louise, what a trade. Fair enough. You did have this going for you. You had two key areas, right? The breakout retest and also um this trend line. Technically two key areas. Bulls are definitely making money here. Are the Bears gonna ever make money today? Let's see. Oh, Bears are not even making 10 points. There's not even a 10-point pullback yet. Bulls are in control. Bulls are in breakout mode. That means you do not go short. Just do not go short till you see some evidence of Bears making money. Bears cannot make even 10 points right now. The second inch long. Okay. Bears may be making 10 points now. All right. Broad channel in play here. Fail second inch long. Is that too crazy to think about? I think so. Yes, I think so. I don't know. Hmm. Whatever. This one's funny. This one's weird. This one's weird. This one is quite weird. First pullback might be small. I don't know. Thoughts and prayers. Thoughts and prayers, pandas. Here we go. I think we have enough room to make money as a bear here. Thoughts and prayers, though, for sure. Thoughts and prayers for sure right now. I'm nervous. I'm real nervous. Oh boy. I mean, thank goodness it didn't trigger. Thank goodness it didn't trigger. What in the world's happening? Thank goodness my trade didn't trigger. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. Yeah, yeah, that's crazy. I'm glad my trade didn't trigger. Your thoughts and prayers made it so it didn't trigger. Thank you guys. Thank you, pandas. I needed those thoughts and prayers. Appreciate it. I sure do. Yeah, that was maybe an opportunity to go along. What in the world's going on? Like, can I go short here? Is that just insane out mode? You gotta be an idiot to go short here, right? You kind of have to be an idiot, I think. I think you gotta be an idiot to go short here. Oh yeah, you're definitely an idiot to go short here. Yeah, you gotta be either an idiot or just insane to go short here. No, thank you. Terrible signal, Marvel. Wow. Forget about it. I mean, the Bears are just scalping. They got a nice, like, 16.5 point scalp. I'll take it. It's not bad. What try? This is crazy. Isn't that crazy to go short here? Yeah, you have to be a madman to go short here, in my opinion. You gotta be a little bit crazy. You gotta be a little bit crazy to go short here, in my opinion. You, you cannot. I just. There's no way I want short here. I just cannot do it. There's no way. No, I can't. That's too crazy. Definitely not now. All good. I mean, if it reverses here, like, well, there's nothing I can do about it. It's just, I just can't partake in this. This is too crazy. Oh, I pattern here. Okay, go I pattern breaks to the upside. Really breaks to the upside. Making new all-time high soon. Is that the name of the game today? New all-time highs every single swing. Is that the name of the game? I could tell the price action is getting quite filthy. Untradeable, feels like. It's starting to become untradeable, in my opinion. We got OI pattern here. I mean, I could try, but this is sick. This is just silly. I'm just gonna do it for kicks and giggles. This is silly trades. It's actually so stupid. This is actually so stupid. Please do not copy my trades. This is just so dumb. If you copy my trades here, you deserve to lose. You really deserve to lose here if you copy my trade here. At least a 1-to-1. That's the only way you trade this. You gotta do at least a 1-to-1 here. I've had reason to. It's not even the top of the channel. Like, it's just not enough room. This is such a dumb trade. Get me out break even. This is a dumb trade. I mean, I don't care at this point. Even if it doesn't work. If it works out, I don't care. This is a dumb trade. I'm out. I'm absolutely out of this trade. So stupid. Such a dumb trade. You can't even get out. There it is. Sorry. I mean, such a dumb trade. Whatever. I don't care. If it works out, it works out. It's just stupid. It's just a dumb trade. That's not even enough room to the top of this channel, to be honest. Yes, you gotta go long in this situation. Jeez Louise. The market, I could tell at this point, is starting to lose its EV, right? We're starting to lose our edge. I can tell by the price actions. We're starting to lose our edge here. It's just not it. Ooh, what a skunk. What a masterful skunk here. Imagine if you went short at the break of this high. You gotta make 10 points, in my opinion. You can't make 10 points, not worth the trade, for sure. Oh, they're second inch long. Well, what do we have here? Hmm. Hmm. Just what I thought too. That is what I thought too. The top of this channel is gonna act has some sort of resistance here, which is why I didn't want to hold that original OI pattern. Right, OI pattern here. This is your one-to-one way up here. So was not enough space. I mean, who am I kidding? This is an uptrend though. I mean, who am I kidding? This really is a strong uptrend. Okay. Who am I kidding though? Do not go against the trend. I think if you really buy anywhere, you really can make money anywhere, to be honest. Just one of those trends. You buy anywhere, you can always just make money eventually. Like, do you think we're seeing the high of day today? You think we saw it yet? Ooh, the one-to-one was met. Like perfect hit. You see how it spiked up to the one-to-one like that? A lot of people had that measure move played out. That measure move was measured, and it got the one-to-one for sure. I mean, I could try to be silly here just for a scalp, but it's a dumb trade again. Like it's just breaking up. Just go long, I don't know. I feel like we're, in a broad channel, and I think we're at the top of it. So I want to go. I'd rather go short here than hmm, tough. Well, these scalps are so small, not worth. Really small scalps here. Rock guns is not the day get greedy. Yeah, it's a scalping day. Like when you're this late in trend, you gotta scalp. If you get deep pullback, then you can take a swinging, but other than that, you're scalping. Okay, we are pushing up here. Is it just crazy to think? Okay, so country long. Like, is it crazy to think we actually will bounce off the top of this broad channel? Or we just grind on the top of it? Call me crazy, I'll try. Just call me crazy right here, I'll try. I don't know what I'm doing. Poison long, 5 minute chart. Yikes. Wow. Unstoppable bull trend right now. You do not go short here. You only go long. I will put money where my mouth is. Watch this. I will put money where my mouth is. Watch this. Putting money where my mouth is. Just watch. Putting money where my mouth is. Just watch. I'm absolutely putting money where my mouth is right now. Watch this. Scared. I'm so scared. I'm putting money where my mouth is, but that might be a mistake right now. This is actually crazy. Unstoppable bull trend. I don't know. I don't think the Bulls are stopping anytime soon on the 5 minute chart. They're just gonna keep buying and buying and buying. I mean, can I get 10 points at least? 10 points is like right here. Is that too much to ask for? That's a lot to ask for, isn't it? 10 points right here. I'll take it. Whatever. Pure price action. I mean, it's got new low, new high. I mean, it's 7.5 points. That's what we're fighting for our lives. Jeez Louise. There's a ATR solo. Yep, ATR right now is 5 on the 500 tick chart. It's usually when it's this low, it's like it makes it very difficult. We could have made 10 points actually if we held trading range, pure trading range at the moment. So sick. Final sell high scalp. That's what people are doing. I mean, that's what people are doing. That's what we're gonna do here. Get ready. Let me try final sell high scalp here. Not a lot of overlap. Not a lot of overlap on the bars actually, if I think about it. Overlap here, overlap here, overlap here. Hmm. Buy low, sell high scalp. That's the name of the game. It is what it is here. I want at least 10 points. I want at least 10 points. There's a gap here. I mean, most likely will fill. This gap filled already. Gap down here needs to fill. Whatever. It's not that I don't think I can hit this. It's the fact that it might retrace a lot before hitting it. And I don't think I'm willing to like see this go higher. I don't care enough. It fills a gap. That little teeny gap here got filled. All right. I hit the bottom of the trading range. Is what I'm looking for. Right. I take it. Buy low, sell high scalp. It's all day, every day. That's what we're seeing. That might seem counter trend to you, but notice that the price action started to get choppy. Notice that the retracements were coming back down. Notice that we had this movement here. Up, retraces, breaks the high pivot, breaks the low pivot. This is the minimum you need for trading range. So bulls and bears are making money now. Not a lot of money, but they're making some money. I'm down 500 or whatever. Being down 500 on daylight today ain't too shabby. It ain't too shabby, if you ask me. And ATR on the 5 minutes, 18. ATR on the 2500 tick chart is 13. So sick. I think we gotta call it, Pandas. This is too filthy here. It's too choppy. It's not really worth trading at this point. I don't know. Is it worth trading? I don't know. It just seems like a trading range starting to form in. The trading range is very small. It's barely 10 points. Yeah. This is really, really diabolical at this point. It's not even worth trading, to be honest. Higher low. It's against your low, but you're in a trading range, so it's hard to tell, right? You're basically trying to time the breakout if you go long here. Which oftentimes you fail. You every once in a while you will get it, but most of the time you fail due to the probability of breakouts. Now we're just completely stuck in this mud. It's like we're in mud right now, walking through sand, quicksand that is. Disgusting price action. Untradeable in my opinion. But the 5 minute, we still have not broken a previous candle's low in a long time. The last one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8 candles. We have not broken a previous candle's low. So still very bullish, in my opinion. We're getting a lot of these. We're getting this pattern a lot here. This pattern here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Blue's good. Blue's a good. Blue's a good color. Opacity. Clear. Oh, no. Good. Alright. See this pattern here? We're kind of breaking the high, the low, the high, low. This pattern is happening a lot. You're seeing the same pattern here, right? This pattern, similar to here, it kind of looks the same, right? You break the high, the low, make the high again, double top, and the low. Like, you break this pivot low, you're breaking this pivot low. It's like same pattern, essentially same pattern. That pattern also, you can see here, uh, right here, very similar. Double top, breaks the pivot low here, comes back up. We're seeing this pattern a lot. I mean, it's just trading range price action. That's what the pattern is showing. Oh, I pattern again on the 5 minute chart, and it's just absolutely looking filthy right now. It's untradeable, in my opinion. I just don't know. The ATR is less than 5 at the moment. So sick. As I get your short, pops up. It looks like a big breakout, but it's 5 points. 5 point breakout. It's nothing. It's a nothing. It's a nothing burger. Surely, like everything's gonna be nothing burger because the volatility is almost nothing. Zilch. No volatility in this market at the moment. We make 10 points. Not even 10 points. So sick. Such a slow grind up. I just don't know if it's worth trading this. It's like really slow grind up. It's so sick. We almost make the 1 to 2. That's what I'm looking for. Actually, it's not the 1 to 2. 1 to 2 is already met. 1 to 2 just met right now on that OI pattern here. Very, very, very strong move without one single candle breaking your previous candle's low. The 1 to 2 was met. There could be profit taking here. And it's such a choppy market. Like, you're thinking profit taking is going to happen a lot. At least that's what I'm thinking. I could go short here and make some bamboo, maybe. Most likely can. Most likely could. Most likely can. But will I? I don't see a break of the previous candle's low on the 5 minute chart. Look at this push down. It's incredible push down. I mean, you're going short here, looking for 10 points at least. Hmm. Really happens after the 1 to 2 risk reward was met on this super choppy grind up. Hmm. Okay, if we make a new high here, I think I'm ending the stream. If we make a new high here right now, I think I'm gonna end the stream. Either make a new high or I'm gonna sell the break of the previous candle low because of the obvious target being hit and profit taking happening. It's profit taking happening, then feels like entry long will also be juicy trade here, in my opinion. A A tier, not A plus, not S, just A tier. Like very good trade, a lot of things going on. You can see a lot of things happening. Lots of trade range price action. Can have a pretty strong push down. The question is, will you get the setup? That's the hard part at this point. Getting the actual setup. That's the hard part. And I don't think we're going to get it. If we do, I'm loading it up. I don't think we're going to get it, but if we do, I'm loading it up. I don't think we're going to get it. If we do, I'm ready. Give me a nice pop back up around now. Is the market telling me I just got to go short anywhere? I don't think so. Yikes. Yikes. It's going without me. I'm moving to pandas. It's going out without me. I just don't think I can jump in here. I don't think it's gonna give me opportunity. After one, two, three, four, five, six, 7 bear bars in a row, you think you gotta just jump in, right? Market will always prove you wrong, to be honest. It'll always prove you wrong. When you think you just gotta go in, it will prove you wrong, saying that you're FOMO'd in and we gotcha. It will always get you. Market will always get you. There it is. Pandas, get ready. Get ready to rumble. Last trade of the stream, either we'll be down like 1,500 or we'll be up like 2,000. One or the other here. That's not a good sign. The moment it like touched my target, my entry just started like just viciously getting eaten up and like trying to reverse. That's usually not a good sign. Yeah, we're dead. I lose, and then we move on. Or and then I end the stream. If I lose, we end the stream. If I win, we end the stream. Last trade of the stream, regardless what happens here. I think I hold this a little bit here. I think I try to hold a little bit here. Deep pullback. This choppy price action day. Hmm. Darn it. I don't want to have to hold more than a scalper's stop loss, but I've learned my lesson today. No reason to hold. No reason to extend your stop loss. Let's just take the hit, end the stream because this is trash price action now. Let's just take the hit and just end the stream because this is just not worth trading. I knew this was gonna happen. I mean, if I really like this trade, if I really like a short here, I can take the hit and then go short again if I still like the setup. But I'd rather just take the hit. It's just not worth it. Most likely I can scale in enough and find myself out to come up break even, but it's just not worth it. Yeah, I would just take the hit. Yeah, down 1,000. Oh. What's the risk there? The risk was 7 points. Sick, 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 sick. I still like a short here. I could try. I could try. I could try. Ugh. 2 bull bars in a row. Just take the hit, move on. Next trade. Break this low. Is it worth? Is it worth? If you'd swing stopped, you would have done well in this trade. Mm, ah, hmm. I had to try on the feels like entry level. It gave it to me. You know, the market gives it to you. You gotta try when you're this overextended. Like you wanna. Not really. I'm not trying to. It's not overextended. It's just like when is this choppy? You're thinking you're gonna get a lot of two-sided trading, and I think it was worth trying there. But obviously, the market had other plans. They're still buying low, selling high, scalping here, and their pivot is the obvious. The low is the obvious here. Filthy. Filthy price action. Sick. Feels like it's just short, fails, and comes back down. Same thing that happened over here. Like good setups failing. Basically, same thing happened here. Good setups failing. It didn't give me the second just short. I was looking for a second just short. Didn't give it to me. Give me the hidden second just short, but hidden because right, you can see it happening here. A, B, C. It doesn't break the previous candle's high, which doesn't trigger that. This doesn't trigger the stupid. Doesn't trigger it. Doesn't trigger it. Doesn't give me the. Doesn't give my setup. So I mean, it is what it is. $1,000. It's not the worst day. Let me take one more trade today, and then we'll call it. Like I just want like a heat check. Can't. I mean, the market's moving so slowly here. So incredibly slow. Like it is just like a molasses right now. Right? Mm-hmm. Wow. How slow can you go? How slow can you go? So sick. Terrible price action. I, I don't know what's happening here, Bendis. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 overlapping bars in a row. What is this? What am I looking at here? These are the markets you stay away from. Seriously, this is terrible. This is not looking pretty. This is the markets you stay away from, to be honest. These are the exact type of markets you stay away from. So disgusting. Like I said, the profit taking at the 1 to 2 and it's coming back to the breakout area. How do you trade it? How do you make money here? Very difficult. Still bear binding near its low. Does it follow through here? Just push down? Are we breaking down now? No clue. Let's go short here. Can't. I just can't. Too much trading range price action to just bank on a breakout right now. This looks like a strong reversal. Whatever, I'll try. One last time. This is such a dumb trade. It's actually such a dumb trade. Literally. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. Fool me 3 times, what am I doing in my life? This exact same setup here, which is gonna fail again, watch. So choppy looking, like, do I look for a breakout here? Really shouldn't. Really shouldn't be doing this. Let's trade this trade. Absolutely terrible heat check here. Yep, terrible heat check. That's crazy. That's just crazy. I mean, I just hate to hit it, but this crazy price action, this is untradeable. I'm done for the day. I'm done after this loss. I'm done. It's just crazy. So sick. All right, man, that's enough for me. Enough torture for me. I'll see you guys tomorrow. That's it for me. I mean, this is too much torture. This is too much torture. This is not tradable price action. Like we're talking about like what are we talking about here? Like these moves are 6 points. This is not even 10. This is just crazy. It's just not even worth it. Okay, so I'll see you guys brighter tomorrow. Have an amazing rest of your day. This price action is absolutely just putting me on tilt because it's just so stupid. But I'll see you guys brighter tomorrow. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.